Halo, nemblo mi maridik, mi kam lo department lo industry under lo Ministry of Trade and Commerce. Mi pin kam lo Pangpang lo 1 week training ya, and training ya mi lo value addition lo peanut. Okay, mi valai pin kam lo week ya under lo funding lo EU, where mi through lo live and learn. Mi vla lo weekya, mi vla been go through lo training, lo side lo sugar coated peanut, honey coated peanut, garlic and chili peanut, mi vla go through lo art candy peanut. Mi vla also make them do inside lo training lo mi vla preserved tomato and chips plo banana, chips plo kumala. And mi falai recent wide department lo industry mi come down lo level lo community lo run awareness training ya or workshop ya mi lo strengthening food security mo commercial supply chain inside lo Vanuatu or inside lo yumi lo rural area. Okay, objective lo mi recent why mi come lo bisa objective lo department lo industry mi lo strengthening mo improve skills plo la rural mama we only no Chinese plo only falum all product plo kata all sem peanut. Me also plo help em all kata lo side plo off season suppose all product only all off season all produce plo kata only off season pelo ka Chinese plo only save value them all product plo kata plo make them say save stop long time. And also through lo cyclone, suppose cyclone mi pass, pe only still kat tomato, only stop lo kakai. That's why only preserve tomato, only make banana chips, we emi kat long la shelf life, we save sustainable kata, with a family blog kata, like Chinese blog, improve livelihood blog kata inside lo income, lo side lo homes blog kata. Department lo industry, and want to tell them thank you to mas, lo all mama lo Pangpang, community lo Pangpang, chief lo Pangpang, and also live and learn through lo EU we support them all mama lo mi vle save come down lo carry out training ya inside lo community ya. Thank you to mas.